Hey ho. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Bill Break and Fix, brought to you by the Raw Coders. And today we have Finesh. How are you feeling, Finesh?
Hey, Zane. Great intro. Yeah, feeling good as always. Yeah, can you get into it as always as well?
Fantastic. Yeah,
You see,
fantastic. hmm
you've put beta testing day one as the title.
Yeah, the internal testing has officially begun. Whoop whoop.
Nice.
It,
Did you did you get much up? Did you get up to much? Sorry, in the stream yesterday.
so I did do the deployment on the domain, which was scrambler.dev,
Mm-hmm.
and is up and running. But yeah, so we'll probably have to test and go along and see what bugs do we face today, and if one of us can just have the bug logged in the Jira as we go. So how we're gonna do is basically we both are gonna create a board and then just basically use it as normal users.
Mm-hmm.
But one of us is going to be the admin, and then as we see unexpected behavior, we'll just go to Jira, log a bug, and do the say expectation, actual, and a little bit of description, and that's all. Boom, and
Okay.
then move on. Yeah, how
Just a
does that
suggestion.
sound?
Yeah,
hmm
yeah, that sounds great, Zane. Um, just a suggestion, like maybe at the start of the show, can we just, if you want to do this offline, that's fine. But if we can just clean up the Jira board, get it organized before we do anything, at least that way we can, just be ready, more ready, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, and that's a really good point. I was gonna come to that part as well after, as in, um, doing the acknowledgement of the country and that
Okay.
pay our respect to the elders of the past, present, and future. So
hmm
yeah, that is also in the agenda first.
Okay, great. Perfect.
Yeah, fantastic. So here we go. I don't know. Yeah, but that's my fault. I messed up with the background and the video clips. So here we go.
Okay.
I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. All right.
Nice.
Do you want to choose the music?
hmm Um,
Three, two, one, go.
B.
Anything.
B
B.
for beta testing.
I like that. I like that. So there's either D or A. So we'll probably have to go with A because that's the closest to B.
hmm Okay.
All right. Fantastic. All right. So I'm gonna share my screen this time because I think last time you did it. But
hmm
if you wanna go ahead as well, you're more than welcome to.
No, all good. All you.
Okay. Cool. So let's get the party popping. To fix it. All right. I can't share my screen. You'll probably have to do it. It does say that I need to go into system preferences, unlock the screen, and
hmm
whatnot. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so this is looking really good, to be honest. We're finally in the testing phase. How are you feeling about that finish?
That's good, man. Like it feels good
It's,
actually, don't you think? Like we finished that, after a while, a long time. I was thinking about it actually yesterday. Like after a long time, we actually got through everything that we wanted to for the MVP, and so I think it feels good.
yeah, I completely agree with you. As in seeing everything we have done from a user perspective, I think that will feel really and kind of great. That okay, we implemented this and okay, this works. Wow, wow.
Sure.
So that's brilliant. Do you maybe want to zoom in a bit?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
Do you mind if I grab my tea real quick?
Yeah, for
2
sure,
seconds.
for sure. All right, guys. So yeah, the testing phase has begun, and um, we would clean up the Jira board first. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we would clean up the Jira board first and then start off with a clean slate and see how we go.
Okay, I'm back.
Brilliant. Okay, so so in the previous one there were existing bugs. Where did they go?
Uh,
Or did you get rid of them? As in
no,
all
this
the
is this is
tickets?
the bugs. See this one? You're talking about this, right?
E passion. No, so there were multiple things, as in the functionality that we wanted to do after the MVP, and then multiple more bugs. I'm just wondering where did they go? If you want to go to backlog on the left side, yeah. Ah, okay, here we go. There they are.
Is it? It's the same, right? Oh, down
No,
here, is
it's
it?
not. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
yes, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Yeah, okay, there's all these ones as well.
Cool. So what we can actually do is bring in all the bugs and probably create a kind of sprint. Do you
Mm-hmm.
know how to create a sprint?
Not quite, no.
Right, let's find out how to do that then.
Okay.
Or actually, wait a second, that wasn't the goal. The goal was to clean the board a bit, isn't
Mm-hmm.
it? Yeah. So let's just focus on that one.
Should we just, for now, let's bring in the tasks from the
Yeah,
backlog,
yeah,
put it into
yeah,
the board, and then we can just arrange the board a little bit.
yeah.
Okay. So passcode and get functionality. I think we've done this, right, actually.
Mm-hmm. Passcode get fun. Yes, we've done that. Bugs, saving notes, faulty at time, let's continue. That actually was suggested by Tori, so we can keep that one.
Should we move it into the board?
Yeah, yeah. Let's move in the board. Review. That would come after the MVP.
Okay. Change all for loops to find. I guess after as well.
Yeah, after.
Make keys of board. and node object
Make
consistent.
it. No, don't worry about that either. Uh, can you
Trim.
maybe zoom in a little
Oh,
bit more,
sorry.
please? Because,
It's better?
yeah,
Okay.
trim the URL path. I think that's done, isn't it?
Trim your road. Um, yeah, I think so, because I think that's what Tori worked on.
Yeah, yeah.
Trim the road path.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Convert if the switches. No, that's after there. Add user-friendly validation on client side. That's I think is done as well.
User-friendly validation on client side.
As
What is
in when you say encrypt password or board and notes successfully inserted, or all those kind of messages or prompts.
yep, okay. Add a
For
delete button.
second release, no. For second release, forget that.
Confirm.
Confirm. Yeah, probably get that's done as well.
Okay. Card pairing is
Con-
duplicate across multiple ports.
yeah, maybe leave this. As in put them
Oh,
in the board.
yep. I remember this being an issue. When card is saved successfully, prompt isn't displayed.
That is being done at the moment, so that's done as well.
Is it done? Okay.
Yes, so boards and cards are saved together.
Okay.
Okay, when the website information closed, inform the user. That has to go to the board.
Implement user hierarchy.
That would come out to the MVP.
Okay.
If you wanna type in there as well, just like others are typed, as in for second release.
Oh, okay. Ah. Implement user types. Oh, that's linked, right?
Mm-hmm.
Border node save.
I should change the stream title, to be honest,
How come?
because it's showing beta testing day one and we are doing something else now, so that's why.
Yeah, I know. But I mean, we'll be. Yeah, I mean, probably half the episode will be this, I reckon. And then maybe the other half would be the beta testing.
Testing day one and Jira organizing.
Okay. Border node save prompt appearing all the time. Is that still?
Borden. Oh, I did that one, so that's no longer the issue.
New nodes created by concurrent users and not being saved. I think I wrote this one.
Okay.
Multiple users enter into a board. Oh, yes, yes, remember this. We have to test this, I think. I'm not sure if.
Mm-hmm.
So, um, you get what's up the issue is, right?
No.
Oh, well, I'll show you. So basically, if you and I go on the board
Mm-hmm.
and I am the admin,
Mm-hmm.
um, a- and I create notes and you create notes, and then I click save, your notes won't be saved. Only my notes will be saved.
That's interesting. Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
this is what this. I remember we tested this last time. I'm not sure if it's still an issue. Maybe it's fixed now, but
Mm-hmm.
I think it's good to put on the board
Yeah.
anyways.
Yeah. Definitely. It's always good to confirm.
Mhm. Password form needs to work with tab, key, and backspace. Should still
Yes,
be
that
fixed.
needs to be done still.
Yeah. Okay. Notes to get mapped to the appropriate column on board.
Yeah, that's done.
Oh yeah. Okay. Why is it not showing that? Okay, cool. So I'll go on the board now. Um, should we work backwards a little bit, like starting from hold?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So probably put everything into backlog now. As in on this board, put
Oh,
everything in backlog.
okay.
And yeah, so
I think this is not an issue anymore because I was testing it,
mm-hmm.
and I didn't see anything. I'm just this will be a very quick job. I'll test it again, but
Okay.
with
And if you can make sure that I'm added as a watcher in everything, because I wanna make sure that everyone is added to all the tickets. So we own as in add watches.
Mhm. Oh, you're here already.
Mhm. Yeah. I mean the other one, the other Jiras as well.
Okay. Okay.
If I'm not added yet.
Okay. Website connection time needs to be extended.
Yeah, that one was basically what was happening is closing the connection by itself, I guess, after a certain period of time.
Oh, okay. Is it
Mhm.
still an issue?
It would be an issue if the time is not enough and the users won't be able to save everything properly then. And if you're the admin, you may still be connected, but the others will drop off without knowing. Does that make sense?
Not quite.
So, so essentially, I think from the best of my memory, saying that WebSocket connection time needs to be extended. So, say for example, the WebSocket time at the moment or by default is what 180 seconds, which is 3 minutes. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
then you create a board and give it to all the friends that will be using that. As soon as 180 seconds are up, which is 3 minutes, then everyone will lose, won't be able to contribute the changes on the board because they won't be connected to the WebSocket. So if I'm add a note, you won't be able to see that because I won't be connected to WebSocket after 3 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yep, yep, I understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that one definitely has to happen.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe not worry about assigning people at the moment. We can just go through if we are kind of happy with what the task and what the issues are at the moment.
Okay. It just I think we populated it last time,
Yeah.
but
Hmm. Yeah.
um, okay.
So
So
let's look at that one. Board authentication and authentication in sharing flow. What was that one? Oh, I love this, honestly.
wow,
He is really thorough.
yeah.
Really, really thorough, to be honest. Wow. Sharing flow. So in that one, he's basically
Well, very in depth.
told all the board authentication how it's working and what happens and when, and
Hmm.
also the sharing of the flow.
Hmm.
Wow. Yeah, I would not touch that one. And we can leave this one to Tori because he might be working on that one.
Okay. Should I move it to backlog or just leave it here? I mean, like backlog, yeah.
So in that one, is that about testing or just enhancing the functionality even more?
I
Your
believe it's
prompt to
enhancing
you
the functionality.
whenever including the admin tries to access the board regular URL. Uh, maybe I missed anything, but I don't think it's enhancing the functionality. It's just describing how the authentication is working, as in what happens and when,
Hmm.
and as in, for example, the passcode is triggered upon save, and so on and so forth.
Hmm.
Yeah, let's just leave this one here as it is. I'm not entirely sure what was his motivation,
Hmm. Okay.
but yeah. So that one, port authentic patch, no method being called, written when no change are made. Okay, we will probably. I think you reported this one, isn't it?
Additional
So
method being called when no changes are made to the node. I think we need to check it. I can't remember if this is still an issue.
okay, mm-hmm. Cool. We'll we'll come back and check this one as we go.
Okay.
So no encode actions AWS socket. Create card works need color of color date. Delete card done. Edit card works need card. I think that's done as well because the position is already there now.
Is it? I didn't know that.
Yes, it's getting the position as well.
Okay. Should
If
mark it
you
as done.
wanna check, you can as well. It's always good to confirm.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, great. Cool.
Implements CI/CD pipeline. So that one wouldn't need to be done again because we did close we did delete the stack and then recreated it. But you can work with this with Tori because he did it the last time. I think it might be worth working with him and learning. Or if you want to choose AWS CI/CD pipeline, feel free to do so as well.
Okay. Cool. Yeah.
Okay. Hook up WebSocket to board column functionality.
Sorry, I'll just add a comment about that.
Yeah. Do not touch is mine. Sorry.
Copper socket to board column functionality.
Yeah, we will probably come back and test it as well first. Bugs saving notes faulty at times. That one Tori
Condition.
raised it. My system race condition. Yeah, I remember I was looking into it, but then I lost track of time,
Mhm.
and then I got distracted.
Okay. Should we put this in progress, or do you want to leave it here?
I'll leave it here for now.
Okay.
Card appearing as duplicate across multiple boards. Yeah, this would be worth checking too.
When a card is created on one board, it shows up on another board. I remember this being another issue that we encountered, but I'm not sure if it might not be an issue anymore. Should I put it in progress to check?
I would. Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Okay. These things we can essentially is like I don't know, like part of our testing, you could say.
Yeah.
In my eyes, but yeah.
Yeah. So when WebSocket connection closes, inform the user of disconnection. Yeah, that needs to happen as well.
WebSocket connection closed. Inform user of disconnection. Okay. All right. So leave it here.
Yeah. No new nodes created by concurrent users are not being saved.
Yep. So this is the one I was explaining earlier. Maybe this is something we can test, like even now, if you want to.
Yeah. Let's do that. Password
form needs to work with that.
Yeah, that needs to happen as well.
Okay. Should we put it in progress or just work on these for now?
Actually, let's focus on the three for now, and then yeah, I think in tabs and backspaces, a bit of coding might be involved.
Yeah, makes sense. True. Okay.
Okay, let's get the party popping.
Okay, so perhaps we could. I think this one will be like a 5 minute thing,
Yeah.
like just
Hmm.
unchecked runtime error. I think this was showing up last time um,
Okay.
when you had
This is
the
show.
board in um, Google Chrome.
And is it showing up now? I don't think it is it?
I don't think so. Yeah, I
Filter
don't think.
for yeah, okay, cool. So we can get rid of that.
Mhm.
Can mark that as done. Um, maybe put a comment saying can't reproduce it or irreproducible. Either one.
Um, it's not right. Okay. Oh, good.
Yeah. Okay, Nino's created by concurrent users are not being saved. Okay, cool. So, um, yeah, if you give me the URL, then I will access that on my end,
Hmm.
and then we can see if two notes get saved.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna create one versus hello two. All right, you can save it now.
Hmm. Did you want to move the location?
Oh, yeah, here we go. All right.
Doesn't location doesn't show on my end. Do I need to save it first for the location to show?
Probably try that one. Good, that must be a bug now.
So refresh. Yeah, you see that? Your note isn't.
Ah,
That's
right.
what I mean. Yeah.
Right, okay, cool, cool, cool. Yep, so that is a bug.
Yeah.
Hmm, yeah, it's only showing which is done by one user.
Yes. Yeah.
Alright, cool. We will have to look into that then. Cool. Yeah, that's a valid one. So we can probably put a comment that reproduced needs looking at, needs fixing. Okay, right, and card appearing as duplicate across multiple boards. So when a card is created on one, it shows up on another when multiple users are connected to it at the same time. Okay, so that was basically, when you created um, board one,
Mm-hmm.
and then we save it, and then we create another one, and the users don't change to a new one. So they see our notes in the new board, but in the old board, but for us, it's a new board.
Yes. Yep. 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 Yep.
So you wanna create, actually, I'll create a new board now.
Okay.
So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Can you see the notes that I've just done on your side?
On the existing board?
Yes, on the existing board. No,
No.
you can't. Cool. So that's not the bug then
Can I?
anymore.
So if I create a new note now,
Mm-hmm.
mm, save. Can you see a new note
On my new board?
on your new board? Yeah.
No, I can't.
Okay. Okay, so that's good. So it's not an issue anymore.
Yeah, it's not. Cool. Fantastic.
Okay.
All right, that is there. So if you go, do you want to do the one which says add tabs on the passcode? Should probably be a really simple one.
Yeah, I think. Oh, tabs work on passcode.
Does it?
It does for me.
Interesting.
But yeah, delete this one.
Okay, so let's do delete then. You want to do delete?
Yeah. Yeah, sounds good.
Cool.
Even like instead of tab, it should just go to the next
Yeah.
character.
Yeah. I was thinking that as soon as you press a button, excuse me. As soon as you press a button, it should just move to the next box.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it should be pretty easy.
Branch, like your new branch.
Yeah.
Pascal form. Submit Pascal UI. Is this where the
Mm-hmm.
this one? I don't remember.
So it's in the passcode. It's with a different file. It's called passcode UI HTML.
Oh, okay. I see. Yep. Okay.
So I probably want to do something like. So you can do that with the jQuery, by the way.
Okay.
But I'm checking if how we can do it after pressing any key, not just enter.
Mm-hmm.
Key number.
Trying to have a look as well. Let's see.
So you would enter key pressed. This folder. So with the enter, it's pretty easy, but I'm looking at where we don't want to press enter. Just the keys.
Okay. Oh, this seems like a good solution.
Mm-hmm.
Zane.
Yeah.
So, piece of jQuery here. If we replace this with the class name that we want,
Mm-hmm.
and then basically, it's just checking for whether
Value. Mm-hmm.
this length
Yeah.
is equal to the max length, and then just it'll go to the next.
Ah, right. Yeah, we could potentially use this. Yeah. Let's do that.
Okay. Let's put it in the other screen. And then this does it. We need to reference. Oh, we can put it in. This is being referenced here, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so which means we
that's
can
being
put.
done by jQuery.
Oh, okay, I see. That's cool. So which means I can put um,
Should be able to, yeah.
what I want in here, is it?
Probably. Have a look. That would come in index.html, not still front end, isn't it? Because it's on home. Oh no, you would want to do that in passcode your HTML because that page is being loaded in for the passcode overall.
Okay.
So if you use the class, say BG Gray,
So I'm just gonna put it here temporarily, of course.
yeah.
Um, so this should actually just work, right? I don't know.
There's
What do you
only
think?
one way to find out.
That's true. Let's see. Okay.
No,
Hmm.
it doesn't
Oh,
work.
it seems no, it doesn't work. Seems like it got rid of the cursor as well, though. Let me just test something.
Key BG.
Yeah, see, if you look at this, so watch this for a second. So if I currently if I enter key, the cursor remains, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now it removes the cursor.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's go back and see how his working the JS fiddle.
Mm-hmm.
No, the JS fiddle.
Oh, sorry. Yes, yes.
So can you zoom in a bit?
Sorry.
Key inputs. So he's taking all the inputs. Inputs with. Are we using inputs as well? Can you have a look?
Oh, is this referencing the element, not the class? No, it's
It's
referencing the class, right?
referencing the class, but want to see if we are using inputs, as in
Oh,
the elements. Yes, we are. Inputs, BG Gray, class. Yeah, that is fine. Go back. And are they all type text as well? I don't
I
think
was
they
just
are.
type password.
Yeah, but that shouldn't really make a difference. Name code to, yeah, go back. So what it's doing is calling a key up function, and then if this value length is max length, then it's saying that assign next. There's the next inputs. Okay, and then if this next input is focus, else blur. And is his working fine?
Yeah, it works fine. See if I go here this and I just type here. What's the next one? See that?
How about if you do his max length as 1 for the first two only? That's fine. Just want to check.
Yeah, it works.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript function. This is interesting. So we are using the same thing. Type text, type text. Okay, how about if we change our types to texts as well?
Okay. Let's try that. Maybe I'll just change the first two.
Yeah.
Oh, nothing actually. Interesting.
Go to console. Is saying anything? Do you want to do that again, please? No. It's not. Alright. Probably want to go back and see. What are we doing?
Sorry, I thought you were still having a look. I was just looking for solutions as well.
Oh, okay. Oh, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Check if it's even coming in that script. Do a console inside the script.
Okay.
Anything finish. It can be anything. Ah. Okay, cool. So it does come in there. Right. Interesting. Uncheck. Oh, we just got this error again.
Oh
Unchecked.
yeah.
Runtime lost the message pool closed before a response was received. Yep, so that error would have to come back now in Jira. Right. That was, to be honest, a good progress though.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good.
We cleaned the board and also started the testing as well, which is great.
Yeah.
Probably put that one in backlog because we've actually started this task. Yeah, that's it. All right, do you want to call it a night?
Yeah, sounds good.
Fantastic. All right, it's your guess your our honorable closure.
Cool. Cool. Thanks for joining us, everyone. In today's episode, we organized the Jira board, getting in preparation for our beta testing. Besides that, we started on um, testing some of the functionality and then working through a bug that, or not a bug, but a minor fix that we want to implement in the MVP as well. So yeah, making good progress, I think. And if you would like to see more of this, come and join us tomorrow on the next episode. So join us tomorrow, same time, same place, and
Same task. All right, guys. Have a great day and thanks for joining.